How to fix Roblox not launching. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Roblox not launching. If you're having such issue, then what you need to do is there are a couple of things you could try. First of all, you actually want to try closing Roblox completely. So for that, you want to close Roblox as well and come to the home page or the desktop page and go to the show hidden icon from the right hand side corner, and here if you locate Roblox, you want to close that out by right clicking on the mouse. As well as you want to close all the background running applications. So all you need to do is just click or right click on the mouse and do the same thing with rest of the other applications that's running in the background. Once you've done it, so once again at the left hand side corner or click anywhere at the bottom of the screen and go to Task Manager. Here you want to locate Roblox or any sort of familiar file that's associated with Roblox. Right click and click on End Task. Once you've done it, so restart your PC and see that should be able to solve your issue. If not, what else you could do is the other step is that you want to locate Roblox player, right click on the mouse and go to open file location. When you go to open file location, here you want to go to Roblox player beta. Do the same thing, right click on the mouse and click on properties. When you go to properties, from the window or from a pop-up window, come to compatibility tab. Make sure that compatibility mode or run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator is selected. Now then, click on apply, click OK and close this tab. Now then, double click the Roblox player and make sure to run this in an administrative mode and see that should be able to solve your issue. Despite doing all this method, if the issue still persists on, you also want to try uninstalling it. So for that, you want to go to add or remove. After which, go to the installed app, locate Roblox, and all you need to do is just click on uninstall and once again reinstall it. That will be able to solve your issue all at once. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.